Looking good there, Donald. That's a real picture of Donald Trump at this bizarre Kennedy Center award thing that he decided to host last night. It was an utter failure. Donald Trump was like, yeah, you can't look at the ratings though now with streaming. But let's talk about what was actually happening in the country while Donald Trump was doing this bizarre event. We learned yesterday that U.S. layoffs are now officially on track to exceed the amount of layoffs during the great financial crises in recent history. So more than the Great Recession, potentially more than COVID. We've already lost 1.1 million jobs, up 54% from the prior year under former President Biden, and that number may get close to 2 million before the year closes and the appropriate adjustments are made with tons of upward revisions that we've seen coming. So as prices are surging, as Americans are having their health care ripped away from them, opposing Trump, and in views, we get more views than Fox and all cable news combined pretty much at this point. So please, if you can, subscribe. You may think you're subscribed, but you're not. Help us get to 6 million subscribers. Sorry for taking time out of the video to explain that, but it's really important to grow this channel to keep exposing Trump. So please hit subscribe if you can. So here Donald Trump at this bizarre Kennedy Center event. As we all know that Donald Trump's mental capacity is deteriorating. That could be an understatement. Lakembe, anybody? Lakembe? Here's what Donald Trump says. He's got a good memory. Here, play this clip.
Mr. President, how do you prepare for hosting this year's Kennedy Center Honest? You had so much on your plate. Where do you make the
I have a
time?
lot on my plate, and I didn't really prepare very much. I read a little bit. I have a good memory, so I can remember things, which is very fortunate. But I want to just be myself, and so you have to be yourself. Johnny Carson, he was himself.
You have a good memory. You have what are you talking about? You have the worst memory imaginable. Then Donald Trump knows that like no one's watching this thing. So he's like, ratings are a very complicated thing because of streaming right now. Here, play this clip.
What are more people watching in those days?
What are you expecting, Mr. President, in terms of ratings for this year's Kennedy
I
Center
think it'll
Honest?
be great. I think it's going to be. Ratings are complicated now because you have streaming added on and everything else, but I think it'll do very big. I mean, just look. Just based on what you see right here. If you came here last year, you saw a line that was about 1/10 this size. You weren't even here last year, right?
I was here. Mr. President.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a big news story from the United States. A new video from a Trump event is going very viral. Many people in America are talking about this event because something strange happened. The event did not go well and people want to know why. Let me tell you the full story in very simple words. The event was expected to be very big. The event was planned from many days. Trump's team said it would be a huge event with a big crowd. This said many people would come and the hall would be full. But when the event started, the hall was not full. Many empty seats were visible. Reporters say the place looked quiet. This is unusual because Trump events are normally loud and full of energy. So the first big problem was the small crowd. A strange moment happened on stage. While Trump was speaking, something unexpected happened. He suddenly spotted. He suddenly spotted. He looked confused for a moment. His voice became soft. He looked like a lost focus. Some people online said it looked like a panic mode. Some said he looked tired. Some said he looked stressed. Some said he forgot what he was saying. We cannot know exactly what happened, but the movement looked unusual. This is why people on the internet are talking about it. The video went viral very fast. In America, video spread very fast on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. Even small even small movement become big story. This video also went viral quickly. People share the clip again and again. Many news channels are also talking about it. Some said Trump looked confused, some said the event failed, some said the media is making a bigger than it is. The internet made the movement even bigger. Trump supporters reacted quickly. Trump supporters said he was tired, the room was too hot, the schedule was long, the media is trying to make him look bad. They said the movement was small and not serious. They said Trump is strong and a few seconds of confuse means nothing. Trump critics also spoke. People who do not support Trump said he looked stressed, the event looked weak, the crowd was too small, the movement shows he is losing energy. They said this is a sign his campaign is not strong right now. News channel talking about the event. Many USA news channel covered the story. Some asked why was the crowd small? Why did Trump stop speaking? Is his campaign losing power? Different channel had different opinion but all agree the event was not successful. Why was the crowd small? Reporters give many reasons. The event was not promoted well. People were busy. The location was not popular. Too many political events are happening. Trump's campaign may be getting tired. No one knows the exact reason, but it is clear some things went wrong. What Trump said later. After the event, Trump did not talk about the strange movement. He talked about politics and his usual message. He said the media is attacking him again. He said he is still strong and fighting. But reporters say his energy looked looser than usual. Experts give their thoughts. Political experts say a small crowd is not a good sign. A confusion movement on stage can hurt the campaign. Social media will repeat these clips many times. Opponents will use this movement in future debates. Experts say the campaign needs to fix these problems quickly. Opponents use the clip. Trump political opponents share the clips immediately. They use the video to say Trump is weak or tired. They said the event shows he is losing supporter. In USA politics, small videos can become big political weapons. What this means for the future? This event will not stop. Event campaign, Trump's campaign, he still has many supporters, but the event create question. Why was the event weak? What happened on stage? What future event also have problems? The campaign will need to work hard for the some event. Social media power in USA politics. Today, social media controls politics. Most people watch news on this phone. When a clip goes viral, millions see it within hours. This is why the Trump event clip became such a big story. Here is the simple summary. Trump had an event that did not go well. The crowd was smaller than expected. A strange moment happened on stage. The video went viral online. Spotter defended him. Spotters defended him. Critics attacked him. News channels discussed the event. Experts say it might hurt his campaign. This story shows how quickly things change in American politics. Even a small movement can become a huge national story. Thank you for watching my video.